So I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney. And yesterday, in my role as co-chair of a bar association committee, I met an experienced lawyer who just left the big firm he was at and is now a solo litigator. And we talked about some challenges that he's having. And I thought that'd be a good intro. I thought of a couple things. I'm going to give 5 pieces of advice for solo lawyers, and a lot of these apply to other business professionals. So, first one, show up early. I was admonished / encouraged to show up early to court many years ago when I was an associate. The first time I went to court after the partner had told me to make sure I was early, I ended up talking to another attorney who had a case about something that was in my firm's area of expertise. We ended up getting the case. So we got some business just by showing up early. Number 2, keep your eyes and ears open when you're talking with people. About 10 years ago, I went to a wedding, was talking to somebody at the bar at the wedding. He asked what I did. I said, I was an attorney. He said, what kind of attorney? I do a couple different things. And I said, well, I do some intellectual property and entertainment. And he said, wow, we just fired our entertainment attorney and we're looking for somebody new. That guy has turned into a longtime client and a good friend of mine. Number 3, make a decision. This was one of my biggest problems when I went out on my own was, debating. Am I going to do this? Am I going to do that? What software am I going to buy? Keep in mind my favorite quote from General Patton, an imperfect plan. It's still my favorite quote. A good plan violently executed now is better than a perfect plan next week. So get on with your life, make a decision. Related to that, number 4, get to an answer with somebody. One of the great things about practicing law in New York is people, business owners, lawyers, clients, they tend to get to an answer more quickly than they do in other parts of the country. A lot of times, having somebody say no is better than having them say maybe, because you've got some closure and you can figure out what you want to do with your life and your business and you can move on. The last thing is your time is valuable. There are some areas of practice where I always charge for an initial consultation because people frequently show up and they just want free advice. My time is valuable. Your time is valuable. Don't let people take advantage of your time if they are just trying to get something for free. Remember that Patton quote. I didn't. But if you have any questions about how to work with your law firm, I'm co-chair of the Solo and Small Law Firm Committee of the ABA. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney, Mike Steger. Talk to you soon.